Energy. The world itself radiates purity, and we have been relying on all sorts of non sustainable ways to obtain it. Now we have realized our mistakes and rapidly transitioning towards renewable resources. Renewable energy generation, on the other hand, is not as continuous as nuclear or coal. In order to access continuous supply of renewable energy, we need rechargeable batteries. More than 95% of this market is covered by lead acid and lithium ion batteries, which were breakthrough technologies of the past. Lead acid batteries are toxic and inefficient. Lithium ion batteries are efficient but flammable, toxic, and use rare minerals like cobalt. This is the problem. Now, on one hand, we are generating clean energy, and on the other hand, we are storing it into hazardous, non sustainable batteries. This wall of unsustainable energy storage cannot be broken by incremental innovations in the lead or lithium batteries. This requires disruptive innovation. At Offgrid Energy Labs, we changed the core chemistry and built a new battery using sustainable materials that are commonly available across the globe. We call it Zinc Gel and use zinc, carbon, and a few proprietary non-toxic eco-friendly materials, making cost efficient and sustainable. My partner and I have been on an 8 years journey for of intense research to fulfill our passion of sustainable and cost-effective energy storage. The outcome of this journey is Zinc Gel and over 15 innovations in battery tech. Our innovations can be broadly categorized into four categories. First and the most important is our electrolyte. It is a mixture of commonly available eco-friendly salts at a fixed proportion. After uniform mixing, this powder mixture automatically turns into liquid. This liquefied electrolyte is temperature stable and non-flammable. The second innovation is in the use of sustainable materials like carbon, which is an effective conductor, very low cost, completely recyclable, thus reducing the cost and improving efficiency of the battery. Third, we have innovated on energy efficient processes for our materials and battery manufacturing such that they do not require clean rooms, thereby saving up to 35% capital on production. Fourth, we have come up with design innovations that allows Zinc Gel technology to build batteries in different form factors, basis suitability of stationary and mobility applications at scale. There are two variants of Zinc Gel battery. First variant is Zinc Gel Redox. This is focused on stationary applications such as renewable energy, utility-based grid balancing, and telecom tower power backup. We offer performance that equals lithium ion, but at one third the cost, completely safe and non-toxic. The other variant is Zinc Gel Ion, targets lead acid powered electric vehicle by offering twice the range, three times the life, five times fast charging at the same cost. While there are other zinc based batteries in the world, we have the best in class balance between efficiency, performance, cost with sustainability. We are a passionate team of PhDs and business experts. We have expertise in clean energy, chemistry, materials, electrical engineering, and we have partnered with leading global energy players like Shell, AVL, Merck, Tata Power, and Mahindra. Rechargeable batteries are a $59 billion market globally, growing at 15% CAGR due to energy transition. Offgrid's business model is based on licensing of our technologies for production of batteries to serve stationary and mobility applications. We see ourselves as a deep technology company that will build an IP portfolio and license it for building efficient and sustainable batteries. Zinc Gel technology sets a new standard for batteries relative to cost, sustainability by breaking the wall of toxic, inefficient, and expensive batteries around the world. Thank you.